your healthy immune system, healthy skin, a vibrant feeling, and overall well-being, go for foods rich in vitamin C. In this video, we're diving deep into the best 20 foods packed with vitamin C. At the end, we'll unveil the recommended daily intake for adult men and women. So, watch this video to the end. Hello, and thank you for always being with us. Let's jump right in. 1. Oranges. They are packed with approximately 70 milligrams of vitamin C per medium-sized fruit. Incorporate 1 orange a day into your diet to meet your daily recommended intake. Go for whole oranges that contain a lot of fiber, which aids digestion. 2. Mangoes. 1 cup of raw mango has approximately 60.1 milligrams of vitamin C. Adding these tropical delights to your fruit salad or smoothie can help elevate your vitamin C intake. Also, you can combine them with probiotic-rich foods for gut health. 3. Cantaloupe. 1 cup of cantaloupe contains 57.3 milligrams of vitamin C. Enjoy cantaloupe as a whole fruit. 4. Kiwi. Has about 64 milligrams per serving of vitamin C. Add this tropical delight to your fruit salad or smoothies, or enjoy kiwi on its own to elevate your vitamin C intake. 5. Papaya. 1 small fruit has 95.6 milligrams of vitamin C. To improve your vitamin C intake, add to your smoothies or salad, or you can enjoy papaya on its own. For added flavor, combine with lime juice. 6. Pineapple. 1 cup of raw pineapple has 78.9 milligrams of vitamin C. Opt for ripe pineapples and pair them with protein-rich foods to aid digestion. Include pineapples in your salads and smoothies. 7. Strawberries. Provides around 60 milligrams of vitamin C per cup. Snack on a cup of strawberries for a refreshing vitamin C boost. 8. Bell peppers. A single medium-sized bell pepper contains a high vitamin C content of over 150 milligrams of vitamin C, surpassing the daily recommended intake for most adults. 9. Cauliflower. 100 grams of cauliflower contains 48 milligrams of vitamin C. Is this video informative? Give it a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more informative videos like this one. 10. Lychees. Although lesser known, 100 grams of lychees contains 71.5 milligrams of vitamin C. 11. Grapefruit. 1 fruit, 245g, contains 76 milligrams of vitamin C. 12. Broccoli. 1 cup of raw broccoli contains approximately 81.2 milligrams of vitamin C. Include in your daily diet. 13. Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous veggies may not be everyone's favorite, but they're loaded with vitamin C, offering around 80 milligrams per serving. 14. Kales. Offers approximately 50 milligrams of vitamin C per cup, making them great additions to salads or smoothies. To soften them and enhance flavor, add lemon juice and olive oil. Consider pairing kales with vitamin C-rich foods for optimal iron absorption. 15. Spinach. Spinach contains 50 milligrams of vitamin C. Add to your salads or smoothies. 16. Sweet potatoes and potatoes. A medium-sized sweet potato provides around 30 milligrams of vitamin C, while a medium-sized potato offers about 20 milligrams. 17. Cranberries. A cup of raw cranberries contains approximately 20 milligrams of vitamin C. 18. Tomatoes. 1 medium-sized tomato contains approximately 25 milligrams of vitamin C. 1 cup of canned tomatoes juice contains 170 milligrams of vitamin C. 19. Lemon. 1 lemon, 58 grams, contains 30.7 milligrams vitamin C. Include in your diet. And lastly, guava. Contains an impressive 250 to 300 milligrams of vitamin C per serving when raw, making them standout stars in the fruit kingdom. In conclusion, The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is around 75 to 90 milligrams for women, 90 to 120 milligrams for men, 85 milligrams when pregnant, and 120 milligrams when breastfeeding. Always incorporate vitamin C-rich foods into your daily diet to maintain optimal health. The vitamin C-rich foods help support immune system and keep you feeling vibrant and energized. Remember to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share for it to reach more people. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.